Hi, Jody Marketplace Boutique, and today I'm going to show you how to buy from the Repo lot. I get most of my boxes and supplies for doing eBay. If you want to know how to find some near you, just type Google repossession near me or repo near me, and you should be able to find some. Good luck. Special auctions. Scratch and done. I can't read that far. What's that saying? Thank you. Oh, I see. I'm not working here.
Perfect, thank you.
Yeah. Thank you so much. So they're right by each other, 2F.
So this is zone 2, off right here.
Okay.
2F what? First one. 2F24.
At least some of this stuff should be gone, so it should be right.
34, 24. This whole box.
Is that it? Okay, let's check the number here. Yep, that's it.
All at the same spot.
Okay, so then we've got
34 is up down there.
banker spots.
34.
34 down here.
Could be
Banker spots. This one.
that whole thing.
Yep. Boy, that was bigger than I thought it was going to be. Alright. Okay. So now we need 31, 32 right here. Right here. These two on the bottom.
What is this? Let me see your paper.
Right here.
It's just one box.
Christmas. Okay, so now I gotta pick up the Christmas tree in the truck and then that one. It's out for people.
Sure, you can wait it out of here. You can on this side? That's a cool door.
Yeah.
What are we getting here? Christmas tree?
Christmas tree. Merry Christmas to me. I have to wonder like how many people see my videos and then they're like, oh my god, there's that girl and she's videotaping. Okay, here's what was in those boxes. Ooh, it's very cold out. So, okay. Oh gosh, these are cute. Stick in the kids' bathroom. So, I bought the 2 massive boxes they had. And oh, look at how cute that is. They even have matching little things. This is going to be really fun to put in the kids' bathroom. And I will sell the rest, but I'll probably maybe even keep 2 of these. I wasn't sure if I'd really want to sell them or not, so I only bought 2, but I could have bought like a dozen packs, and there's like tons of them in here. So, here, so 6. Oh, there's more than that. Santa bathroom set. I love buying like this. Multiple listings makes it really easy. So, okay, I'll have fun listing that. And I also bought a Christmas tree for myself. I've actually never had a nice Christmas tree, so super excited to put that up with my kids this weekend. Okay, have an awesome day. Bye.